to the citation for our presenter. It is my privilege to introduce our guest today, Ala Ababneh. Let me share my screen quickly.
Hi, everyone.
Yeah, good evening, Ma.
You hear me?
Please, can you see my screen?
Yes, we can see your screen.
All right, sir. So let me quickly read the citation for our presenter today. Ala Ababneh is a Jordanian civil engineer, archaeologist, and expert in the conservation and management of cultural heritage. She holds a BSc in civil engineering from the Jordan University of Science and Technology, an MA in conservation and management of cultural resources from Yarmouk University, and is currently a PhD candidate in classical archaeology at the Universitat Autònoma de Barcelona, specializing in digital heritage and advanced documentation technologies. Ala has extensive experience in both academic research and field work, including significant contribution to the documentation and preservation of archaeological sites such as Quest and Jerash in Jordan. Her work integrates innovative digital tools such as laser scanning, 3D modeling, and GIS to advance the study and protection of cultural heritage. She has served as a research assistant at Yarmouk University, a consultant for the European Commission, and is an active member of multiple international organizations related to archaeology, conservation, and sustainable development. Ala is recognized for her leadership in promoting women's participation in science and heritage fields, and is committed to bridging technology with the preservation of history. She has participated in numerous conferences, workshops, and international collaboration, and her research has contributed to the development of conservation strategies for heritage sites across Jordan. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you very much, Mr. Ajoke. So, with no further delay, I will be calling on our presenter, the person of Engineer Hala. You have the floor, Ma.
Hi. Good evening.
Good evening, Ma.
Good evening.
Thanks for your introduction and this background. I think today my presentation is useful for everyone and help everyone to choose the next or let's say digital twin research. Okay, I will share my research. Okay, it's up here now. Can you see?
Yeah,
not?
we're seeing it. Can you put it on slide mode?
Okay. Okay, now it's okay or not?
Yeah, it's not bold. Like you need to increase you need to put it on
Okay.
yeah,
I don't know why, but I think I have a problem in my website. Okay. Today we speak about construction laser scanning. Laser scanning is used in many fields, civil engineering, construction, architecture engineering, archaeology, surveying engineering, etc. In construction engineering, we start using laser scanning to many type of work, let's say in part of reconstruction or surveying or let's say measurement, etc. In this research, we will start to define what's the construction laser scanning and what's the application of construction laser scanning in civil engineer and other, and the types of laser scanning, and what's the equipment and software using to generate model, and workflow for field work and laser scanning, and challenging and limitation of construction of laser scanning, while future development in construction laser scanning. What's construction laser scanning? Construction laser scanning, we can name it as LiDAR. It's a technology or modern technology used to create 3D model from physical object or environmental to a 3D model. In construction field, the field of construction, we use laser scanning to capture the exact dimension, shapes, and position of buildings, of street infrastructure, etc., with high accuracy and speed. In construction engineering, we tell or name the 3D model as a as-built model. We can capture exact details of any structure or infrastructure or street, etc. Application of construction laser scanning in civil engineering. This technology used to, as I tell you, 3D point cloud. This 3D point cloud is a million of point cloud for the object or environmental. We have several application of this construction industry in as-built model, to generate as-built model, quality control, PIM modeling, site documentation, clash detection, process monitoring, safety and stability analysis, etc. What's the type of construction laser scanning? We have many type of, or 4 to 5 type of construction laser scanning. Laser scanning, TLS, MLS, mobile laser scanning, or aerial laser scanning, handle can be by hand, and underground laser scanning. Also, mobile laser scanning, maybe you can use a drone for this type of scan. We can put the drone, both the laser scanning in the drone, scanning the details, let's say, maybe above the building or any type of structures. We have many type of laser scanning equipment and software and many models. When we choose the best laser scanning for our task, we must read the features of this laser scanning and what we do in the task of laser scanning. The tools to use it to create detailed 3D model of physical objects or environmental can be used for design, analysis, documentation, and visualization process. We have many software company, let's say Leica, Trample, Autodesk, Ferio, and other. This all company generate or design many type of lasers, and we can choose the best one for our task. Laser scanning workflow. When we work in laser scanning, we have many steps for workflow to generate the 3D model. Planning. This planning involve defining the scope of project. Why we will use the laser scanning for this project, and the necessary accuracy of laser scanning equipment and detection of scanning location. We must be define the laser scanning location before start project. The step 2 is scanning. This involves setting the equipment and scanning target area. This scanner will be laser beam that bends off the surface of object or environmental to create point cloud, which is collection of 3D coordinate XYZ. And step 3 is registration. This combination between a scan into a single model and to unfilled model to manually or by use software. We can generate or registration point cloud in the site or in the fieldwork. Also, we can let's say collaborate with software processing. These steps include cleaning up the point cloud, removing any noise point, and creating surface mesh. This mesh is generating the 3D model. The resulting model can be viewed and measured. Okay, then step 5, we start analysis the 3D model after created. It can be analysis to extract information, let's say dimension, volume, and distance. This information can be used to various purposes such as engineering, architecture, and construction. Step 6, output. The output includes 2D and 3D drawings. It included the CAD model and other, let's say, PI. We can also using Revit to generate multi-models, and also we can use Abaqus to generate safety and stability model. And also the output can be used for documentation, communication, and decision maker. Okay. What's the challenges and limitation of construction laser scanning? Laser scanning is a very useful tool for capture models. But also, we have some limitation of using this technology. The first limitation or associated with this technology is cost. Laser scanning is high cost technology. We need spend more money to use it, and limited field view. We need sometimes long time for generate model if you have a huge area. And reflections, weather condition. It's very important to choose the best weather, like sunny day or cloudy, to start work. And data management. We need more softwares to generate final data and expertise. Honestly, we don't have many expertise can generate or work in workflow laser scanning process, because this type of technology need high qualified person to work in this process. We need engineer and data analysis engineer also, and also we need surveying. We need many our huge group to collaborate to generate this data. Okay, what's the future development in construction laser scanning? Laser scanning technology is becoming popular in construction industry, as it provides a fast, accurate, and non-invasive way to capture 3D data of building construction site. It increases the speed and resolution, increasing the other technology, improved probability and automation and artificial intelligence and accessibility. This is the all benefit of or future development of construction using laser scanning. Thank you.
Thank you very much, our
Thank you.
presenter. So it's nice having you around, and I want to appreciate you for that wonderful presentation. Just
Thanks a lot.
yeah, just a recap of what has been said by our presenter. The topic once again talks about laser scanning and its application in civil engineering projects. So
Exactly.
yeah, so we are made to understand that we have various tools which can be used in these regards. think some of the laser scanning equipment and software, we mentioned some softwares like Faro, Leica, Trimble, and
No,
Autodesk.
it's not okay. No, not various tool. It's a company can generate or modeling this type of laser scanning. It's a let's say branding. It's a brand
Okay.
of laser
Okay.
scanning. We can, yeah.
Oh, okay. Then you talked about the laser scanning workflow, talking about the
Mhm.
planning, the scanning. Then the third one is the registration. Then we have
Mhm.
the processing, we have the analysis, we have the output. And you also went ahead to talk about the challenges and limitations of construction laser scanning. And you mentioned challenges such as cost and
Yeah.
limited field of view, then the reflection of people, inaccuracies due to movements. Then you also talked about weather condition also being a challenge. Then data management and user expertise. Then you also looked at the future developments in construction laser scanning.
Mhm.
So thank you very much. So I will open the floor for questions and answer. It's the floor is now open for audience. This is a time you can ask your question, and our presenter is willing to give answers to these questions.
Yeah. Okay. Sure.
Any question? Any question of what has been presented today?
I think it's very complicated process or technology because not anyone understand what I work and how can work.
Yeah, okay. I think I have a question. And my question is this. What is the application of this in this laser scanning in construction projects?
Mhm.
How useful it is in construction projects?
Okay. Laser scanning in construction process. The main idea of use this technology is to generate as-built model. What I mean as-built model? I mean we drawing in civil engineering we drawing 2D model 2D plans for generate buildings or infrastructure, etc. In laser scanning, we can processing this process before we start. What I mean, we can use laser scanning to planning the site, or we can capture the exact building. Let's say any building around here, we can capture the building and easily we can generate 3D model. This
Hello?
3D model, this 3D model generate as a point cloud. What I mean a point cloud? Point cloud is a point have dimension 3D dimension x y z. This dimension collaborate or let's say what I can do. Maybe collect with each other and then generate the model. Okay, after this point cloud is collection and collaborate with each other, we can start the next step. What next step? We're using recap software. Recap software. This software we can generate 3D model with texture and then export for PIM or Revit software to generate model as a real model, like what we can see in the real. Start do anything. We can see virtual reality, augmented reality. We can do.
Okay, thank
Can I
you.
share with you a video to What's the process and what we do in the
Yes,
site?
yes, that would be nice. That would be
Okay.
nice. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I think I have a question. I have a question. I don't know
Okay.
if you can
There's
hear
another
me.
question. Yeah, you have the floor, sir.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you for such a wonderful presentation. I'm Dr. Ali Game Victor. I'm participating from Nigeria.
Oh,
My
you are
question is,
welcome.
what is the? Thank you. Thank you very much. So, what is the level of application or in terms of application in real life construction of this LS laser scanning? And also, how can these challenges, if there are challenges in terms of application and by construction professionals, how can these challenges be surmounted considering the benefits that laser scanning can provide in the construction industry? Thank you.
Okay. Challenges. I tell the challenges for laser scanning cost and need expertise. But what can considering industry we can using in real time construction. Uh, because when we using laser, you can save time, save processing, and but we need expertise because this benefit is not easy for anyone. I will see you what can 3D laser scanning do inside. Please, just 1 minute, please.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you very. You can go ahead to share the video.
Yeah, just 1 minute, please. Okay. Okay, we can see.
Yes, we can.
Okay, I will.
We are is not we are not hearing the audio from here.
Sorry, there's no audio. I don't know if we can just talk over the video and tell us the process in each of the stage that we are seeing or viewing.
This is start the laser scanning work.
Okay.
Good evening. Can we pause? I have a question. So,
This is the image and modeling.
Yeah, I think someone wants to ask
That's-
someone wants to ask the question. Someone wants to ask a question. Mr. Sheyi, please, can you ask your question?
yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, Ma. From
Okay.
the video.
I think it's clear now.
Hello.
Yeah, I hear you. Yeah.
Okay. From the video so far.
Okay. From the video, we can see two types of surveying. The first one is using stadia light, and the second one using laser scanning. The second part is you can see the process of laser scanning generate the real time or reality of modeling, how laser scanning work, and we don't need any benchmark. We don't need any processing before. Just we planning in our mind, and the process suggest where's the point, and start surveying or scanning, let's say. Okay, we can see in the phone, can using the software work on it. It's very easy. Also, we can see what scan I want, or if you delete the scan, we can delete it and re-scanning. It's very easy, but we need let's say you must be expert to use this tool, because it's very sensitive. In 1 minute, okay, we can generate 3D model in 1 minute. We must be accurate to generate or put the point put the point of work, and where put the scanner to scanning the model or infrastructure, etc.
Okay, ma. Someone is asking a question. How much does it cost to buy a laser scanner?
Okay, it depends, but an average it's around $15 to 1,000.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, it depends, because if you have rent from university or like any public space, we can using in low cost, but we must be like a student or who work for research. And if you are work in huge projects, you must be paid more.
Okay. Thank you very much. I
Thank
don't
you.
know, do we still have any other question?
Okay.
Okay, someone said, how easily can the scanner integrate with drones?
It's very easy. We can integrate align between laser scanning and the drone. We can put the laser scanning above the drone and scanning using drone. Also, maybe you can get data from drone and align this data with the drone. We can use two type of software to generate or align data with each other.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Yeah,
Any other question? Any other question? Before we wrap it up for today.
Any question?
Okay. So, Mr. Jauke, do we have any announcements?
I see how easily. Okay.
Okay.
How much does it cost per? Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, buy, not okay. Buy laser scanning is not rent. Okay. I answer about rent laser scanning. We need a huge number, a huge money. It's I think more expensive. I don't know how much, but I think it's more expensive to buy laser scanning.
Okay. So, thank you very much, Ma. It was indeed a wonderful time. I want to thank you very much, Engineer Hala, for this insightful and thought-provoking presentation. I'm very sure that each and every one of us will walk out today with new ideas, deeper understanding, and inspiration to take action. We are in the global world and things are evolving. So the need for us as professionals to also equip ourselves with these modern trends will also make it easier for us to achieve things in the construction industry as a whole. So as we, I want to really appreciate you. I want to thank you for your time and
Thank you.
making it a date with us to share with us from your wealth of ideas. So we are not taking this for granted. We appreciate you. I will say thank you very much. And to all the audience here present, I want to appreciate you for taking out time out of your busy schedule to be part of this session. So it's really a thing that would hold in high esteem. So we appreciate everyone who is here tonight. So as we conclude, let's carry forward the valuable lessons we've learned today and continue the conversation beyond this session. So I wish every one of us a wonderful day ahead, and we look forward to seeing you at our next presentation. Thank you once again. Thank you, everyone. God bless.
Thank you. Have a nice night.
Yeah, you too. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Yeah.
Thank you, everyone.
Yeah, thank you.